station in time to tell her I love you. Sorry it took so long. Loving real crystals built under pressure. I know you've been waiting for a while.